Y'all, we're here at the Zach Theater in downtown Austin for the premiere of Poetic License. We're going to talk to some of the Apatow family as well as some of the incredible actors featured in this film, so let's get to chatting. What was it like getting to work on a film directed by your daughter?
It was amazing. It was like a dream come true. I got to spend every day with her, and she had to spend every day with me. And
You trapped her.
I did. I did. So it was like, honestly, like the best experience. And I think about this, it's been like a year plus, and I think about, how I would love to just go back there and do it again because it was so much fun.
Yeah, that's so special. Now,
It really was.
what I love about your character in this film is she is so complicated, but like in the best way. Just like a beautiful mess is how I would describe her.
Oh.
What are you going to walk away from this film from? Like, what did you learn from her?
Well, I think I taught her some lessons.
Come on, I love that. I love that.
How to be a better person.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
We can all take a little lesson in that. So I think that's good. What does it mean to you to be here at in Austin at South by?
I'm really excited to be here.
Yeah.
It's been a while.
Well, welcome back.
Thank you. I love Austin.
Yeah.
The first time, so the last time I was here was 2018. The first time I did a Robert Rodriguez movie called Shorts.
Okay.
And I stayed at a hotel that was right in front of a bridge where all the bats fly.
Yes, the Congress Bridge where the bats fly. Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. Yeah.
And so I would go out there at dusk and
the best.
watch the bats.
Yeah, it's
and
my wife and I's favorite like Austin experience.
Really?
Yeah, it's very special, I think.
Yeah, very special. And then floating in that body of water, just like a, what is it? Like creek.
Yeah.
The creek?
Yeah.
And
Barn Springs Pool or Lady Bird Lake? Which one? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
It's
There's
okay.
a statue near it, like a big statue. My kids posed near
I'm
the
like,
statue.
I don't know, now I'm lost, but it's okay.
And then we drank beers and floated in the lake. No,
Yeah, the river, the body
River.
of water. The body of water.
yeah. We can maybe if we stay a couple of extra days, we can go do that because it's going to be 90, right?
It's going to be hot. It's
Yeah.
Austin. It's always hot. So very good. Well, thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
and congrats on
much.
the screening. For more from all of our South by Southwest coverage and more from A-List, visit KXAN.com and follow us on social media.